Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones Argon Audio Quiet Storm from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And right here at the right side we have a button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your headphones, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list, and then in the future you can reconnect them. And if you select to unpair your headphones, you will totally remove your headphones from your phone. So if you need this, just select Forget button. Now let's disconnect it, so disconnect, and as I said, I have it at the device list, but I stop Bluetooth connection with them, and if these headphones turn on and do not connect it with another device, I can easily reconnect them. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!